If you want to reset the lock, the only way that you can do that is through your app and through the account that you have paired the lock with. So go to the pencil icon at the top and you can go to remove device. Once you click on to remove device, disconnect and wipe data, you will then do a factory reset. Confirm. And you'll notice instantly the lock will reset. And now it'll go back to testing phase. So all the previously registered fingerprints and password and key card will no longer work, and any finger. And that's it completed. Your lock has now been resetted.